The Dan Satchoff Show is filmed before a live studio audience.
Glad a vacation. Train stations are beautiful here in Spain. Are you headed to Madrid?
Si.
Have you been waiting a long time?
Si.
What's your name?
Sai.
Sai?
Si.
I saw you waiting with that lady earlier. Was that your sister?
Si.
What's her name?
Su.
Sue?
Si.
What does she do for a living?
So.
So?
Si.
Well, look, Sue, or Sai.
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 Si.
Have a great trip.
You too.